from an investor perspective, of course, we love to hear things like that. We love to hear the story of growth and projected future growth as well. So over to you, Debbie. When we think on the residential side of real estate, for persons who want to become investors or potential home buyers, walk us through how can we get exposure to this lucrative real estate market everybody's talking about in Jamaica?
Well, I, like Kevin, I'm going to be very biased. I've been in the business for really 33 years. We have 50 agents associated with us. All our agents are highly trained professionals. They're there to guide you. We have a multiple listing service, which you can see all the listings that are in the industry. If you come to our website, all the listings are there. So there's no need to sort of shop around from this broker to that agent to that agent. Find somebody, give us a call. We'll put you in touch with one of our agents who will guide you, who can take you onto the system, direct you to the system so that you can see everything that's out there. They will walk you through in terms of the costs associated. A lot of people figure I'm going to buy a $10 million house and I have $10 million. You're going to need $10 million plus to cover all of your costs. So there's a lot of intricacies and things that you need to know.